Hi, this is Galen Martling. I'm here today showcasing Unity Stamp Company. I have it's an itty bitty kit called Spring Mouse that I'm going to feature. And I'm also using the sentiment from the kit called Swagger. And I'm going to use Unity pattern paper. It's a paper pack called Pink and Blue Watercolored. And it's beautiful. It's my favorite one so far. This is from one of the original paper packs that they came out with, and I just love it. I just love the colors, the art by Graciele Design that she created for Unity. I just love it. There's a lot of paper in this pack, and I go to it often, especially when I want pastels. I'm using dyes by My Creative Time, pretty scallop circles, and I'm using ink by My Favorite Things. The black ink is Copic friendly, and also I'm going to go ahead and stamp with black ink the little mouse scene, and I'm going to use a Lazy Day color for premium dye ink cube on the sentiment. I also have the coordinating Lazy Day paper color that I'm going to use for trimming on the edge of that floral panel. And so for the stamping, I chose to use Copic markers. So I wanted to stamp with Copic friendly ink, which I did. If you want to use other markers or color mediums like watercolor, you want to stamp with something that is compatible with your color medium. So there's lots of different types and lots of different ways you can create. Just make sure you're stamping with something that's going to be compatible with your color choice. And so now I am just choosing blues. So I chose to add a yellow umbrella. I just wanted something to pop that was different from everything else. So I made the umbrella yellow. So I used 2 colors of yellow, and then I blended out with that lightest color of yellow. I do the same with the outfit in blue. I think I have 2 or 3 colors of blue that I use for the outfit. And for the mouse, I have sort of a gray taupey color of markers that I'm using to add lots of layers. I slowed down this section here, coloring the mouse, to show that I just go over it, over and over with different layers of different shades of the same color family. And the artist puts in there different areas where there might be creases or accents where you'd want to have it darker. And if not, you just make where you think you want the accents. I like to go ahead and start with more of an outline and blend inward. In this case, that's what I did. But then, you keep on going. You add other things to it. Like I added a rose color for the cheeks. And, you can blend it back in with a lighter taupe color. And then go in darker like I'm doing now, just to accent some areas. And, it is sped up just a little bit. So the process is longer, but it's very relaxing to color in, whether it's markers or whatever, you just continue until you are satisfied. So now I am adding a ground area, I made sort of an oval behind the mouse, and I made it into like a minty color behind there. And now I'm adding little dots of this rose color for the cheeks. And then I go in with a very light taupe cream color to blend that out. Now I'm adding a little gray around the mouse, underneath the mouse, a little darker hue to make it look like maybe that there's a shade from the umbrella on the ground. And so I die cut that piece, and it's all ready to go. I'm going to use foam tape for the mouse panel, and I'm going to use flat double-sided tape for the flowers and the cardstock trim. You can use one big piece of blue behind that flower panel, but I had these strips that I wanted to use they were left over, so I just decided to add them as a trim. More of a border background is what I was going for. And so I just placed that offset to the side, and then I placed this mouse right on top. And also I put the foam sentiment on there with foam tape, added a few white adhesive pearls to finish it. I hope you like it, and thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and leave a comment if you will, and have a great day.